a cuisine recipe and decided to give it a try. Hope everyone enjoys it too.
This recipe is simply stir-frying celery and black fungus with the classic canned dace with black beans. So easy, yet incredibly tasty with rice. You'll need celery, black fungus, and canned dace with black beans. Couldn't be simpler, right? I used the brand recommended by fellow netizens. It really has intact fish pieces and plenty of flavorful fermented black beans. So delicious. Thanks for sharing. After cleaning the black fungus, you can either shred it into thin strips or keep it whole for a chewier texture. Just prepare it according to your preference. Rinse the celery thoroughly, peel off the tough outer fibers, then cut it into sections and set aside. Remove the dace with black beans from the can, break it into pieces, and set aside. I used half for this recipe and saved the rest for another dish. Friends interested in purchasing canned dace with black beans can scan the QR code featured in my video to buy directly on Shopee. There are various brands to choose from. Start by stir-frying the canned dace with black beans to release their aroma. This will make the dish much more flavorful and delicious. Once the aroma comes out, add the black fungus and stir-fry together. If it gets too dry, you can drizzle some water along the edge of the pan to help cook the fungus through. For seasoning, just add a pinch of salt and pepper just to your own taste. Finally, add the celery and stir-fry briefly before serving. Since celery can be eaten raw, adjust the cooking time based on how crunchy you prefer it. And just like that, it's ready to go. Plate it up and dig in. The savory and aromatic dace with black beans pairs perfectly with the crisp celery and black fungus, creating a rich and satisfying texture. Each bite combines the umami of fish, the depth of fermented beans, and the freshness of vegetables, making it ideal with steamed rice. Well balanced in seasoning and texture, crisp yet tender, it's a simple yet flavorful home-cooked dish. Canned dace with black beans is a classic ingredient in Guangdong, and Hakka cuisine often features savory, rice-friendly dishes with preserved ingredients. This recipe shares clear similarities in seasoning and style. However, it is more commonly found in Cantonese home cooking rather than as a traditional centerpiece in Hakka feasts. From a blended home-style perspective, it might be better described as a creative home dish inspired by Hakka flavors. The dish combines high-quality protein, dietary fiber, and multiple vitamins. Canned dace offers protein and calcium. Black fungus is rich in iron and fiber, while celery provides vitamin C and potassium. It is moderate in calories and nutritionally balanced, making it a wholesome choice for everyday meals. Note that canned fish tends to be high in sodium, so it's best enjoyed in moderation alongside light staples like steamed rice or whole grains. Give it a try and learn how to make this. Such an easy recipe. Definitely add it to your go-to list so you can whip it up anytime you crave it. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. Momo sincerely thanks everyone for your comments and support. You're also welcome to share your thoughts on each recipe or talk about how you make these dishes at home. Let's learn simple and delicious home-style recipes together. Cooking at home truly brings so much joy, doesn't it? My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.